like cutting up vegetables, just like, and then I'm gonna break my veganness. Surprisingly, it was way better than I thought it was gonna be. Will I use agave? Maybe if we're out of honey. Don't roast me because I have 2 carbs. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we have a highly requested video. Unfortunately, Anaya requested that I try to go vegan for a day, which we have beef now. We really do, because y'all know I'm a carnivore and she wanted me to be an herbivore. So, and she got 3 likes on the comment. Y'all really want me to suffer. So let's get into the video. So I'm making my tea right now, and since I can't use honey, I'm going to use this agave, which I'm not too happy about, but I hope it tastes decent. And if it tastes decent, maybe I'll start using it. But I'll let you guys know when I taste the tea.
The tea is exceptionally good today. Who made this? Very delicious.
Okay guys, so I tasted the tea and it's really good. Surprisingly, it was way better than I thought it was gonna be. Will I use agave? Maybe if we're out of honey, but it's pretty good. So this is gonna be breakfast. I'm not gonna have anything else because around this time I would normally have egg whites, some like turkey bacon, and like a piece of bread, and none of those are vegan. So I'm just gonna have this tea and I'm going to start cleaning my room or something productive, and just wait until lunch comes. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back in my room now. I'm just gonna clean my room because Saturday is cleaning day. And I'm gonna do some cleaning and then I'll check back in with you guys at lunch. See you guys in a second. Cleaning my room and the bathroom, and I'm so freaking tired and hungry, so we're gonna go get some food. I'm gonna make some broccoli for lunch. I'm just gonna have to season it really well, like I always do, but I'm so hungry. It's about 12 o'clock, So we're gonna make some broccoli for lunch, and then we'll see if I feel satisfied or if I need some more to eat. Okay, so this is gonna be my lunch. Let's see if it fills me up. If not, we're gonna have to figure out something, and it might be involving rice. Okay guys, so I just devoured the broccoli and I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna make another batch along with some rice. And then I'm thinking about like prepping my dinner and like starting to cut up everything for dinner, so when I get hungry I can just slide it on the pan and put it in the oven. So like when I get hungry I'm not like so hungry and then I'm like cutting up vegetables, just like, and then I'm gonna break my veganness because I'm hungry. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make some rice, make some more broccoli, and then start prepping for dinner, which is probably gonna be Brussels sprouts and potatoes and something else, but that's all I can think about right now. But yeah, it's going pretty decently so far, so I'm just gonna make some more food. Okay, vegan. More rice and broccoli, but it's like Asian infused. I put this little Asian sauce on it. Girl, I put you. Okay guys, so this is my dinner. It's Spanish rice, potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Don't roast me because I have 2 carbs, because that's all I had and I'm trying to be full. So yeah, this is my dinner. This concludes me going vegan for a day. It wasn't too bad. If you have any video requests, leave them in the comments and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.